Okay, kids, today we're going out scorpion hunting. They'll glow with the scorpion flashlight. Do you know?
Awesome! Blue money, yay!
Do your teeth glow?
Probably because I just ate ice cream. So.
All right, let's go hunt for scorpions.
I'm scared to be honest, but whatever.
You're scared too? There he is. You see him? Oh, he's hiding. Let me see your stick. Come over here. Coley, back up, buddy. He's under here. Okay, so we lost him. I don't know where he went. Turn around, buddy. All right, we found him again. Look, guys, come here. I'm gonna search the ground around. He just looks flat. He's like...
Big ones have lots of poison, big ones don't.
Yep.
You don't want to get
Really all in this area here is like the utility box, and they like to go in to protect you. I'm gonna run if this thing comes after me.
I know.
I'm not gonna protect you. I'm gonna run. To eat. All come out.
Besides, when it rains, like they come out after because there's ants when we went over by the car.
No.
Like you.
Got another one. There. Yeah. I can't get them out of there. They will hide behind these wall things here. Stay here. Stay here. Make sure there's none around it. You gotta sneak up. There he is.
The fact that it's almost Halloween, that there's just scorpions everywhere. If you're watching, please subscribe for more fun.
Once I caught a fish alive, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait, what was that? Did you hear that? That was a close one. Do this all day. Looks like you are you, but there's 2 crocodiles right next to you. Whatever, nice try. Oh no, look, Kevin into my cover. I told you, get it. It's useless! I got this! Hey, you big fat crocodile! I'm out of here! Help! I'm stuck! Oh, hold still! We'll see about that! Hurry! One more and I should be out! deep sea submarine set. And this button, you can see the lights and make a, you can see them in there. It's there. I can own them once again. If it's just gonna fit on the bottom. Yeah. Kind of barracuda. Guy comes with like a camera. This guy comes with the flippers and a knife. So I was playing with it for a little bit, and I just figured out. Put them back in. There's one on each side.
Get the Nerf blaster ready and watch it back. Yeah, you know they ain't ready for the sneak attack. For the sneak attack squad, sneak armed with the Nerf blaster. You can't stop this. Building forts out of cardboard. We've got your back. You know how we roll. Commanders in chiefs. That's just the way it goes. We're the sneak attack squad. Sneak attack. We're the sneak attack squad. Sneak attack squad. Sneak attack. Get the Nerf blaster ready and watch it back. Yeah, you know they ain't ready. We got the Raptor, we got the Strike, alright. Nerf battles with Mom and Dad crew. You can be part of the sneak attack squad too. This is what we do. Yeah, you know who the best is. We got ninja like reflexes. Sneak attack squad, sneak attack. We're the sneak attack squad, sneak.
Good evening and welcome.
Yes? What are you doing just sitting around? Look how beautiful. There's nothing to do outside and it's about to rain. Alright, here's the deal. Get your brother and go find them. So you're telling me the place. So can you do it or not? Mom, that's through the jungle. Alright, I'll just have to find those sunglasses and bring them back to me. You can have all the shaved ice you can eat. It's pandemonium here! It seems that all the animals are broken free!
Why can't she just find them herself?
Well, because they're at that beach that we were at this morning. Get a backpack, I'll get the blasters.
What do we need blasters for?
We need to go to the jungle to get there.
If you say so.
Alright, load them up. Well, let's go. Let's go get our shoes, come on.
Are you sure there's no wild animals that will attack us?
Positive.
What about the news? What? I swear the news said something.
let's go. It's definitely this way. Bubbles are crazy though. They would probably win.
I can just smack them. It looks shallow up there.
All right, let's go. It looks shallow enough.
After you.
I made it.
Yay! You did it.
What are you doing?
Look at all the tadpoles.
What was that? All right, let's be careful in here.
Okay.
Oh, boy. There is something out there. Wait, I'll go this way.
Where? I don't see anything.
Seriously, this is the only blast we have left?
That's all I've got.
All right, just come on.
Do you see anything?
No, but I think it's behind those bushes over there.
Seriously?
He's talking about last week's video. Let's see if he really opens his eyes. You were faking it.
Whatever, I can't be perfect.
Thanks for your comment, little Maddie. But you want your own dog tag? Right up there.
Wait, where in space?
Check out our Instagram page.